Hello guys, this is Keyapp, platform for app analytics and app keyword promotion. Before watching this video, please subscribe to our channel to get all the news about App Store optimization, keyword promotion, and to get updates from our service. Also, if you like our episodes, please leave your comments and likes. We really appreciate this, and that makes us to create even more video content for you. Today, we would like to present a live study case with the promoted app, with the chosen for promotion keywords, and of course, with the results we managed to achieve with the help of keyword installs. So let's start. As you may see, for promotion, we have chosen drawing application for kids, and we have promoted this application in two regions, in Great Britain and in Canada. For both regions, there were 4 keywords. These are keywords of middle popularity, and as you may see, they are combined of 2-3 words, and in most cases, such keywords are of middle or of low popularity if you do not see opposite with the help of score, which shows actually the keyword traffic, the keyword popularity. So we have promoted this application for the keywords in September, so some positions could already be changed. But anyway, let's discuss some more detail. Here we can see the order details, and you may see that for the first campaign for Great Britain, we have set the order for 6 days. It is usually for Google Play because their algorithm needs more time to process the installs and to influence the positions with the help of installs. Anyway, first of all, the app positions for these keywords were not so high. Not all of them were in top 20, so we started the promotion with 10, 15, 20 installs, and basically it is completely enough for Google Play to start if the positions are not so high and if the keywords are not so popular. Also, you can see that every day we increased an amount of installs. Usually we do it for 20-25% from the previously used amount from the previous day, but you can in average increase for 5, 7, 10 installs every day just to show Google that the app becomes more and more popular with the particular search request. So as you may see, in mostly from 120 to 220 installs were used for each keyword within the time of the first campaign. Let's go to the second campaign. Here it is, and you may see that the keywords are the same, but already the amount of installs is higher because basically the higher the position, the more installs are needed to get the particular rank. So we started already with 25, 30, 40 installs daily and did actually the same increase for 5, 7, 10 installs every day. And this campaign is already for 5 days because in most cases we recommend to set campaigns for Google Play for 5-7 days. Let's check the results of such promotion for several keywords. As you may see, it is the same app, the same region, it is Great Britain, and here read the increase graphic for this application for this search request. On the graphic, you may see that there were 2 campaigns. You can check the amount of installs, and of course it is possible to check the start rank and the rank achieved after the order. So we have started with the rank 8. Within the time of the first campaign, we managed to achieve actually top 1, and we decided to continue the campaign just to keep the position, because if you stop installs at once after receiving the top position, the position may go down because it is needed to add some more installs just to keep the position until the app starts to receive organic installs for the keyword. Let's go to the next example, to the next keyword. The application is the same, the region is the same, it is Great Britain. The keyword is drawing for kids. As you may see, we have started the promotion from the position 115. So basically the position was quite low. We have started the campaign and there was no increase within the campaign time. For Google Play, it is completely natural because Google algorithm needs more time to process all the install the application gets for a particular keyword. After the first campaign, we managed to achieve top 40, yeah, in average top 40, and of course we decided to continue the promotion with one more campaign. As you may see, here is an increase, stable increase in the amount of used installs, because we have mentioned in this video and in previous video that it is important for Google Play. So with the help of the next campaign, the starting position was top 40, and within the campaign time we managed to achieve top 5, because the position changed slightly from top 5 to top 1 to top 3, and basically it is completely normal for Google Play and for App Store as well, because the app list is not usually stable and the position can be changed because there are a lot of other factors which influence the ranks, like competitors, app reviews, app ratings, some changes in app metrics, etc. But anyway, we managed to achieve stable top 5. In this case, it was already possible to continue the promotion, to keep the position at top 1, to achieve top 1, and then to keep. But anyway, the request with this application was to achieve at least top 5 for all the promoted keywords. Now let's check the next region. It was Canada, and here were also two campaigns, and the first one was for 6 days and the second one was for 5 days. So the keywords are almost the same. They are of middle competitiveness, and they were promoted approximately with the same strategy. Let's check the campaign settings. In the first campaign, you may see that we have started as well from 15-20 installs, but the positions for the search request were low. There is the same increase in the amount of used installs. In the everyday amount, we have increased for 5, 7, 10 installs in average, just to show Google that there is a stable increase in the number of downloads the application gets for the search request. And in total, in the first campaign, from 150 to 200 installs were used for each keyword. Here with the next campaign for Canada, and you may see that we have already started with higher amount of installs. In average, it is 40 plus installs daily for each keyword for the first day, and then increase for 5-10 installs every day. So we have finished with 60 installs in average, and in total for each keyword up to 300 installs were used in the second campaign. So in total, we understand that approximately up to 400-500 installs were used for each keyword to get top positions in such regions. Also, it is important to mention that both Great Britain and Canada, they are competitive regions. There are a lot of users and a lot of app developers would like to occupy top positions for the keywords of middle and of high popularity. Let's check the result of the first keyword we promoted. It was how to draw. So as you may see, the promotion started with 35th position, and there is an increase in installs and stable increase in position. So the graphic is quite stable and quite slight. So after the first campaign, we managed to achieve top 20, and of course, as our main aim was to get top 5, we decided to continue the campaign. And after this second campaign, we managed to achieve top 3, top 4, depending on the day, because remember that the app list is not fixed and the position may be changed actually every day. But anyway, we achieved our main aim of getting top 5 for this keyword. The next keyword we worked with in Canada, you may see the country here, it is drawing apps free. So as you can see with the graphic, We have started with 86th position, and there was no increase during the first campaign, and some kind of increase started already during the second campaign. And as I have said previously, it is completely natural for Google Play. Do not wait fast result, and do not try to set a lot of installs daily to achieve the top position fast, because Google algorithm doesn't work like this. Anyway, we may see that after the first campaign, the rank was pretty the same. During the second campaign, we managed to hit top 40, and then already after the second campaign, after all the installs were delivered, we managed to achieve top 5, and the position is still quite stable, so it changes between top 1 and top 5 because the list is not fixed, as I have mentioned previously. So this was a live study case with the application promoted, with the keywords, with all the results. And basically, if you would like to achieve the same positions for application, just contact our support team, contact your personal manager, and we will be happy to help with all the settings, with the strategy, and with the keywords choosing. Get top positions in the top with Keyapp.